Hi guys, you would have noticed that my last couple of videos have been focused around the new projects which have been launched on Binance Smart Chain, and specifically the ones which are based upon the NFT gaming concepts. And in today's video, I'll be talking more about the basics about how to configure your MetaMask so you can start using Binance Smart Chain. This is because in my last couple of videos, a lot of you commented that you're new to the space and you're just getting started, and you had some doubts regarding how to set up Binance Smart Chain in your MetaMask and how to start using it. In case you're already familiar on how to use this, you can skip this video. But in case you're new to the crypto space and you've not yet started using Binance Smart Chain through your MetaMask, then I think this video would be useful for you. So I'm going to assume now that you are already have MetaMask installed and you have been using it for Ethereum based transactions and you want to start using it for Binance Smart Chain. So what you would need to do is you would need to go to settings and you'll have to select the option for adding a new network. Okay. When you go to the option networks, you'll see the option called add network, and here you'll need to fill in all the specifications for Binance mainnet. I'll include in the description what are the specifications for Binance mainnet which had been released by Binance. So in network name, you need to fill in BSC mainnet. Okay, and they've also provided the URL. The two options you can select anyone. I'm going to select the first one here, and they've also provided the chain ID. There are also two options. I think 56 works fine. You can just enter 56 here, and currency symbol is BNB. Okay, and the last part is the Explorer URL, which is BSC scan. Okay, after you've filled in all these specifications, you need to click on save, and now this option would appear in your selection because earlier you could only see the Ethereum related ones. Now BSC mainnet will also appear. And when you select here and when you go to MetaMask, you would see the Binance Smart Chain coins. And if I go to the expand one, this is a new one. So let me switch back to the one which I've already been using, which already has some BNB and BUSD in it. Okay, let me unlock this one. Okay, this already has some BNB. Okay, and when you will start using it, you will not have any coins in it because this will be a new account. So I'll strongly recommend that you, in case you don't already have an account on Binance, then you create a account on Binance because that is the best way to transfer fund to your Binance Smart Chain MetaMask. And I'll tell you the reason why, because when you start transferring funds from Binance to your BSC MetaMask, this would work out the cheapest way. Because, for example, if I select the address here and I want to make a transfer from Binance to this BSC Smart Chain, so in case Binance, as you can see, supports both Ethereum and BSC options. And one important thing to note here is that the biggest advantage which currently Binance Smart Chain has over Ethereum is that you can see that for a same transaction on the Ethereum mainnet, it would cost me $10 to send any BUSD or any other ERC20 tokens, whereas the same BUSD, when I'll transfer it on BSC, it will be a free transaction. It will have no charges associated. So once you confirm any amount you send here, it would be free of cost. And here I've already transferred some BUSD in my account. So now let me go to the site which is most important for any transactions you'll need to make for Binance Smart Chain, that is PancakeSwap. And once you have transferred some BNB and BUSD to your account, you can use PancakeSwap as the uh, main site to convert any of the tokens. Because now some new swap sites have also come up, but normally wherever possible, I always use PancakeSwap because it's the most reliable and dependable site. And most of the new projects on Binance Smart Chain, they support PancakeSwap. For example, the last project which I reviewed was my DeFi Pet, which has the token called DPET and which I've already added. And here, for example, you can use your BNB or BUSD to buy. For example, if I want to buy 10 tokens, I'll be able to swap it here. So PancakeSwap works out as the best, most convenient site. And once you have configured your MetaMask for Binance Smart Chain, you have transferred some funds from your Binance account to your MetaMask. Then after these two steps are done, you can interact with any of the Binance Smart Chain sites. For example, in my last video where I had uh, talked about my DeFi pet, here you would receive the DPET tokens which you would have swapped on PancakeSwap, and this you can use to start buying the NFTs on this site. And in the same way, you can interact with any of the portals using Binance Smart Chain once you have transferred some funds into your MetaMask. I hope for anyone who's new to Binance Smart Chain, this gives you some idea how to get started. In case you have any doubts related to any of the steps involved, do let me know in the comments and I'll try to cover it in the following videos. Thank you.